हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे ऐसे स्टॉक्स के जिनको हमने इंट्राडे में ट्रेड किया। एंड द टू स्टॉक्स दैट वी ट्रेडेड वर बालकृष्ण एंड Divi's Lab. So if we go to Balakrishna on 5-minute time frame, then you will see that here this was the opening scenario where price moved upside, but if you see here the volume wasn't that much. In case of here you saw a lot of volume, but here we saw a decrease in volume. So even though price was going up but not that much, and volume wasn't coming as well, so we were waiting for some kind of signal which can showcase that the price will move downside. So if we see here, after third candle we saw some red candle, but it doesn't contain a good volume. Then came your inverted hammer, and then three bearish candle. Even though they are not having volume, but the closing happens to be below this hammer. So here I sorted when this candle moved up. So my sorting point was around 260, 2164, 2163 to be exact. And if we come in here, and stop loss was just above your previous, just above your highest candle, which was around 170. So my entry was 263 and stop loss was 2170, and target I was expecting at least this 2140, but overall target was around 2125, because this zone has been tested longer time in previous day. So target was 2250, and it got achieved within 1 hour. So we got big move and then volume came out, and this price didn't sustain. The reason was that in downfall we are not seeing that much volume as well, but since market wasn't that much bullish and it was going sideways, so we could have expected this kind of scenario. And if you go for our indicator, then what was it saying? So yes, it was bullish in this case, but started bearish move. So it was showing bearish within our range. So this was kind of trade where you can go sideways or in opposite direction. So this was a good trade, but it wasn't kind of accompanied by our indicator, but it gave a target. Next stock was Divi's Lab. So Divi's Lab was a good trade which was based on simple volume price action. So if we include session, so we saw a big up move yesterday, and then when today's candle opened, it make a big red candle. And in the previous day we saw in last 10 candles that price was moving, price was kind of showing some resistance upside in all of those candles, and after a certain point there was some inverted doji candle, or you can say inverted pin bar. So this was the significant, we were waiting for the candle which could break this low, and in first candle it broke, then it came down, and then it went up. So if you remove our indicator, then it went up. But if we see here, the volume in this fall is pretty good as compared to the volume in retracement. So this was clear indication that market is not going to break your upper high, or you can say previous day high. So here we shorted exactly at 4,555 and it was given in the Telegram channel, and our stop loss was pretty small. I would say not pretty small, but it was having good kind of significance. So our stop loss was 4,585 exact, to be exact. Our target stop loss was 4,585, and for the target I was expecting that in case of very smallest kind of support which can be possibly happen, then it could happen around 4450, because we saw some candle around this. So 4450 was our target. So initial kind of risk to reward to risk ratio was our 3.62, but if we see here that it market fell, then it was making a kind of lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so the point was that if we go to our indicator, then it is not showing any call, but it is showing some downward trend. So if you see here, then even it fell, even though candle moved up, but this trend was still bearish. Okay, so let's uncheck it, and then we saw some kind of move which is expected like this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then it's kind of showing similar trend, but from here trend changed. Okay, but trend changed, but not with a good volume, because if you see here, it is not showing volume as this much or volume like in this candle. So but unfortunately my trailing stop loss was hit when I kind of shifted my SL above this candle, which was around 4510. Okay, so it got hit in this candle and then it went up, but it came down. So my stop loss, my total risk to reward ratio, if we go by my exit point, then we got around 1:5, but if we trailed here, then again stop loss was not hit. Original stop loss was not hit. Okay, so that's how you kind of make a trade based on current scenario and comparing how trend moved in the previous day. So for tomorrow, if we want to trade this stock, I would say that we can possibly see some kind of upside move here, because the reason is that if we see here, volume hasn't come as much as we expect after first two candle, and if we see here, the big like bullish volume is kind of increasing. So we might see some kind of bounce from 4450 tomorrow on 24th December. So let's see how it happens. So we will kind of see the opportunity, or we will look for the opportunity around 4450 and see if shows some kind of upside move. So that's it from today, and see you on the next